Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for May 19th through June 2nd. First, going to take the severe weather that's affecting parts of the Northeast. We have several watches and warnings here. We have this watch here. Severe thunderstorm watch is in effect till 8 p.m. tonight. And we're going to look at several warnings. Now, most of the activity is to the north. We have a cell here. It's going to be coming into Pauling about 5:03. West Preston by 5:24, and near Litchfield 5:37. It's mostly to the north across New England. Then we have another cell here, north or east of Albany. This will be moving into Pittsfield at like 5:54, Binghamton by 5:06, and north Amherst by 5:10, and west Brattleboro by 5:34. Okay. So far there is no hail so far detected with these storms. There were earlier. Now, one thing here, we're going to be watching this line starting to develop right to the northwest of New York City. And we're going to be watching this as it comes together and moves across. This will be the last line. So far, there has been little or no activity around the New York City area except for the pre-funnel stuff earlier this afternoon. Okay, we're going to get now to the forecast. Let's see if I can get there. Okay, this is for May 19th to 23rd. You see this what the patterns forecast look like. We'll have a ridge that is north of the Aleutians right here. And we also have another ridge here over the East Pacific. It moves into the west. Trough develops in the west with rising heights in the east. Now, the trough in the west are bringing cooler temperatures along with lowering snow levels. And we'll look at the surface map. Let's see if I can get to the surface map. All right. You can see that we do have snow moving parts of the northern Rockies, northern central Rockies. And a system will push a cold front eastward and cause heavy rain and convection as it moves eastward. We'll take a look at that. You can see there's a front there. There'll be rain across the northeast, maybe heavy right here over the weekend. And then we also will have tropical moisture moving across Florida, which can bring heavy rainfall. We're going to look at the period now from May 24th to the 28th. And the flow doesn't change very much. We still have our ridge, another ridge here, trough ridge configuration in the west. So for this forecast period, I am calling for, let me see if I can get to the map. Okay, I am calling for, I had the wrong map up here before because I've been changing the maps a little bit. Let me see. Okay. I am calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies could exceed 8 degrees below normal here across this area, and above normal temperatures forecast here. And again, anomalies could exceed 8 degrees above normal, mainly across this region. And for precipitation, here we go again. For precipitation, I'm calling for below normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. above normal precipitation is forecast here, and the probability of occurrence is near 40%. Looking ahead for the period for May 29th through June 2nd, as we enter hurricane season. There's no tropical concerns right now, just to mention that. And we see that overall the pattern remains, the height anomalies remain the same, ridge, 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 trough here. They're a little weaker, the flow is a little flatter. But if you look at the GFS, it brings a return of above normal heights here. This is the only model that does that. Tennessee have a little bit of a trough developing here across the east. But the ridge, we still have our ridge near the Aleutians and so forth. So for this forecast period, I am calling for the change from the previous period is to extend the below normal temperatures into the Great Lakes region. Otherwise, everything remains the same. And for precipitation, let's see if we can get to the precipitation map. Calling for a little change in the precipitation anomalies from the previous period. So that's a long-range weather forecast discussion for me, 19th of June 2nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.